Hello, my name is Rachel Miller, and I just concluded my 8-week internship with Ernst & Young in Dallas. I'm so excited to share with you why it's such an exciting time to join a career in public accounting. As we all know, technology is changing the way business is performed. I was able to witness this firsthand during my time working for a large public client and a smaller private client. Working for a Big Four company gave me the chance to experience so many opportunities. I was able to meet with 2 mentors that helped hold me accountable to reach my full potential and long-term goals. Statistics show that 70% of Fortune 500 companies establish mentoring programs for their employees. I believe that this large percent shows how important it is for companies to build strong relationships between their employees. Another advantage of having an internship is that it gives students a chance to relate all the material they have learned in school to real-world situations. Not only are internships great for students, but also for companies. A poll taken in 2012 by the Center of Professional Excellence discovered the top characteristics that corporations are looking for. Some of the qualities included interpersonal skills, communication skills, knowledge, time management, confidence, and ethical behavior. Internships can essentially be an 8-week-long interview and an opportunity for companies to select their top students. Another study done by Millennial Branding and Experience found the top 5 most important qualifications during the hiring process. The traits in order for most desirable include a student's coursework, referrals, intern experience, on-campus involvement, and grade point average. It is imperative for students to understand how important it is to allocate enough time in your college years for an internship. In fact, many graduate programs actually require their students to do an internship. In conclusion, the accounting industry is growing at a rapid pace. The Bureau of Labor Statistics expects employment of accountants and auditors to grow by 13% from 2012 to 2022. I believe that internships are the best way to train and hire recent college graduates. Thank you so much for your time, and I will now be taking any questions.